Prophet Emmanuel T.B. Joshua, and I respect you because you are a general. A man that finished his job and left immediately after the job. And so do I, the lion himself. We are not in this world to enjoy anything with you. My fellow prophet Emmanuel T.B. Joshua did his duty without a social man, but the lion became a social man, and you are still talking. He is not a social man, and you are still talking. I want to correct a stupid person that I want to speak something. And that was a man that don't want the general to rest in peace and allow their family to mourn the general. And this man is Chris Okotie. Young man, we have respected you enough, and I have never seen you done anything in this life. I have never seen you save any soul. I have never seen you done one miracle that T.B. Joshua have ever done. But you come out and say that T.B. Joshua is a devil, and you started to analyze the ways. When I answer Emmanuel, that means I am a devil to answer the name of my father. When I name my church synagogue, because you have right to name your son your name. You have right to your son to answer your name. If you answer the name of Jesus Christ, is it wrong? Does it mean that we are Christ? And we must answer the name of our Father. And you start to come out and start to try to prove yourself. And you wake up one day and said that they appointed you. You have sent the messages to many parties and tell them that you are the president of this nation. When I'm looking at you, I see that you are possessed. And listen to me. When you face the general, when you want to talk about a man, before you start to speak against anybody, then you bring your video in your qualification. That means that two of you people are in equal. That means you have your own higher video than his own. When you cannot do what a man do, you have no right to talk about him, because you are not in the same level and you are not in the same qualification. You are not in the same spiritual balance. You are too far carnal for whom T.B. Joshua is to open up your mouth. And when I see you say you want to rule Nigeria, I see you that you are suffering from I don't know, you are suffering from insanity. You need a dirty slave to collect your senses. And don't listen to me. I don't reply people with the stories. I reply them with the deadly spiritual weapon. A woman of God can call police. I don't call police. I don't call lawyer. I am a man of power. One ejili fena bala eyagu egu.